Welcome to another crochet tutorial with Cozy Rosie UK. Today we're learning how to decrease into our double crochet stitches. In the US, a double crochet is a single crochet. So we're going to be doing a double crochet 2 together. To do this, what we do is we insert our hook under that first stitch that we want to decrease. We're going to yarn over and bring a loop up. That gives us 2 loops on our hook. We're then going to straight away insert our hook into the next stitch. We're going to yarn over once again to bring up a loop. So we now have 3 loops on our hook. We're then going to finally yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on our hook to complete that decrease. I'm going to double crochet along this row, and we shall do an internal decrease. So we should do another one here. So we've got these next 2 stitches that we're going to decrease into. So these 2 are going to become 1. Insert that hook under that first stitch you're looking to decrease. Yarn over to bring a loop up. Got 2 loops on our hook. Insert your hook into that next stitch. Once again, yarn over and bring up a 3rd loop on your hook. And finally, we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on our hook. So this will reduce our stitch count on our row by 1. For each double crochets 2 together, you will decrease the stitch count on your row by 1. We do 1 more together. Insert our hook into the first of the next 2 crochets. Yarn over, bring a loop up. Insert the hook into the next stitch that you're looking to decrease. Yarn over, bring a loop up, so we now have those 3 loops on our hook. Finally, we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on our hook. And that's how you complete a double crochet 2 together.